In front of me is Nothing Phone 3A Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling slightly to hit apps. Then scroll again to tap on app locker and enter your screen lock. Now you need to tap on those white squares next to apps you wish to lock and go back. So now when I try to access one of them, icons that pattern is required. To disable app lock from any app, go back to the same settings and tap on check marks next to locked ones to unblock them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!